Mercedes has turned the idea of road trips upside down with its new 2026 motorhome concept, and the details emerging now promise to redefine what we expect from long journeys on wheels. The latest glimpses reveal that this isn't just a typical luxury RV upgrade, it's a full reimagining of travel comfort, technology, and sustainability all rolled into one. At the heart of this reinvention is a convergence between Mercedes' cutting-edge mobility vision and the timeless appeal of freedom on the road. Patented innovations in battery systems, charging architecture, and smart interiors elevate this to more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile sanctuary. Peering inside, the 2026 Mercedes RV concept features a cabin that blends high-end automotive craftsmanship with RV-level utility. Materials traditionally reserved for flagship sedans now form surfaces and touchpoints in this motorhome, while lighting schemas evolve with ambient intelligence to adapt to moods and conditions. Storage is rethought. Modular, hidden compartments that slide, fold, or expand into walls, underfloor, or ceiling spaces reduce clutter and maximize usable living area. The integration of cabin control, climate, and entertainment through a unified software layer means every environment inside can be tuned with minimal effort, and over-the-air updates can bring new features or optimizations over time. On the power front, Mercedes is seriously pushing boundaries. The prototype uses a next-generation energy architecture, blending electric propulsion with advanced battery chemistry to support both driving range and stationary power demands for appliances, climate systems, etc. Early reports suggest Mercedes experimented with a solid-state battery prototype that covered 1,205 kilometers, 749 miles, on a single charge in long-distance testing across Europe, still retaining a margin of unused capacity. That kind of range gives the promise of crossing countries without needing frequent recharges. To support this, Mercedes has adopted ultra-fast charging infrastructure support, including a 600 kilowatts Alpatronic HYC1000 system being integrated into its network, putting the RV on par with high-end EVs in recharge speed. Auto evolution. But it's not just about raw power, sustainability is central. The design emphasizes energy recovery systems, intelligent thermal management, and low-draw subsystems that regulate energy usage adaptively. Materials used in construction lean toward lightness and recyclability, reducing energy demand in everyday use. The aim is not simply to offer a luxury ride but to do so responsibly, with a lower footprint than expected for a vehicle of this scale. Mercedes has also refined the support systems that make this reimagined road trip possible. Charging networks, route planning, and predictive energy management are tied together so that the vehicle virtually knows where, when, and how to recharge with minimal driver input. The system can recommend stops, balance load, schedule appliance usage, and optimize the route while factoring in elevation, expected weather, and battery state. That intelligence turns what could be a logistical headache into a smoother, more automated journey. From a model line perspective, this bold motorhome concept comes amid broader updates to Mercedes' 2026 lineup. The company is refreshing its existing sedans, SUVs, and electric models with new trims and technologies. In the US, Mercedes is launching new variants such as the CLA 250 Plus and 354 Mach with EQ technology, the AMG E53 hybrid wagon, and the Maybach SL 680 Monogram series. Across its EV segment, Mercedes is reworking output and adding standard hardware like the NACS-DC fast charging adapter. That ecosystem plays a role in supporting the motorhome's ambitions, enhancing shared infrastructure, parts, and software synergies. Auto evolution. Challenges remain though. Scaling solid-state battery tech from prototypes to mass production is notoriously complex, and ensuring that charging infrastructure is widespread enough for cross-continent journeys will take both public and private investments. Weight and durability under long-term use, safety and crashworthiness in a large moving home, and regulatory approvals in multiple jurisdictions all stand as obstacles. Mercedes will need to validate not just performance, but real-world reliability before the concept turns into a product consumers can buy. Still, the vision is powerful, a future where road trips lose their friction and compromises. Imagine waking up on the side of a mountain, your motorhome fully charged, climate-controlled to ideal comfort, solar arrays and energy storage humming in the background, and your route management system ready for the next leg. No fumbling for outlets or panic over range, just smooth transitions from one spectacular destination to the next. With this 2026 concept, Mercedes is pushing toward a moment where road travel becomes as seamless and elegant as gliding from city to city in a flagship sedan, but with all the amenities of a home.